Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to edit tagline in WordPress. So if you want to edit tagline, you need to log into administrator panel in your website, and after that you need to go to settings, and here you need to open general settings. After that this window should be successfully displayed, and here you can find something like tagline. If you will insert here a text, it will let you in a few words explain what the site is about. The good example is just another WordPress site. So for example, I type here something like website about tech tutorials. And now if I want to save this tagline, I need to scroll down and I need to click on Save Changes button. So I do it now. And how you see, we will get this one notification. Settings are saved. So now we need to go back to our website and we need to reload it. So I click on this one icon. And how you see, tagline has been successfully added here and tagline has been successfully added here. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you to add it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.